Producers, film producers or producers of drama and theatre are the ones who are investing in the project. They are the people who conceive the idea. They bring together everybody, script writers, the actors, the musicians, director, everybody. So they are the ones who, in a sense, are the owners of the project. And therefore, their decisions really matter. They would make a choice, and the choice is going to be implemented, incorporated. Obviously, the choices are made by producers in a manner that the thing are going to be effective in bringing them revenues, in making the production popular amongst people. However, because they are important, because their decisions have a deep impact, their decisions should be within moral limits. As I mentioned with regard to the script writers, likewise is true about the producers, that their entire project should be within the limits of morality given to us by our religion. Their choice of actors and actresses, their choice of script writers, their choice of musicians, the poets who write lyrics, directors, the entire production unit has to be selected in a manner that it does not violate the principles of morality. And therefore, the producer who is investing his money and wants to earn more money is under a tremendous pressure of meeting the challenge of making revenues on the one hand and not doing anything wrong from a moral point of view. Obviously, there are censor boards as well who would do their editing and decide as to whether a certain movie is acceptable or not. But even before that, it's the moral obligation of the film producer to make sure that when he is producing something for the society, which is going to have a deep impact on the morality of the society, well, he has to play his role as best as he can. Obviously, as I mentioned regarding the script writers, it's even more true regarding the producers who choose and select script writers, that they produce movies and dramas and theatre productions which are based on proper positive messages. The message should be to influence the society. Quite often it so happens that there are ills in the society which cannot be corrected by giving any direct message through sermons, through rhetoric, through written messages. It should be done in a manner that people, on the one hand, are getting entertained. On the other, they are also getting morally influenced. It's a huge challenge. But obviously, people who have entered this particular profession are the ones who are equipped for doing such things. And those people who want to influence the society positively in a way that they are creative, and yet their creativity is also looking for opportunities to reform the society, well, here is the opportunity for them to become creators of these entertainment items. And while they're doing it, it would not be a bad idea if they continuously consult other people who can help them in getting proper, positive, healthy ideas for the betterment of the society. Because in the modern society, it is unthinkable for a large chunk of the population to live without entertainment, without cinema, without dramas, and without theatre. So, while on the one hand, we would strongly defend the case of these means of entertainment as well within the acceptable limits of Islam, we would strongly urge that this medium should be used as carefully as possible to make sure that it does not violate any principles of morality from the point of view of Islamic teachings.